What are isomers? Whenever you hear isomers, your mind should go to iso. Iso simply means the same. In this respect, iso means the same molecular formula. Isomers are compounds with same molecular formula but different structural formulae. For example, these two compounds have the same molecular formula but their structural formulae are quite different. Methoxymethane is a compound that has two methyl groups attached to a central oxygen atom, that is CH3O CH3, while ethanol is CH3 CH2OH. If you count the number of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in the both molecules, they are the same. 2 carbon atoms C2, 6 hydrogen atoms H6. This is methoxymethane CH3O CH3, and this is ethanol CH3CH2OH. Dear viewer, this is Chemistry Made Easy at Chemist AI Edu Consult, where complexities are simplified in your language. Follow and subscribe for more. So C2H6O does not actually capture a specific molecule. For you to specify which molecule it is talking about, you must look at the structure. It could be methoxymethane or ethanol. But some known compounds exhibit isomerism, despite the fact they have their own structural formula. There are other molecules that resemble them in molecular formula but are different structurally. An example of such compound is hexane. This is the structural formula. You can easily see that there are 6 carbon atoms and 14 hydrogen atoms. So the molecular formula is C6H14. This particular hexane has isomers known as isomers of hexane. We have N-hexane, that is normal hexane. Normal hexane is just what I have written its structural formula above. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is normal hexane. The next isomer is that which has a different arrangement of atoms of carbon and hydrogen, yet conforming to the same molecular formula C6H14. And it is called 2-methylpentane, a pentane chain having methyl group at the second carbon atom, and that is CH3, CH3 as a branch, that is the 2-methyl. Then we continue CH2, CH2, CH3. This is 2-methylpentane. It's an isomer of hexane because the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms are still intact in the molecule. The next is 3-methylpentane, where the methyl group is attached to the third carbon, still maintaining the molecular formula, yet it is an isomer of hexane. The next is where we have 2 methyl branches at the second carbon atom, and it is called 2,2-dimethylbutane. And the structural formula is this. We can also have 2,3-dimethylbutane. There are types of isomers, but for the purpose of this lecture, I will not go into that aspect. But just know that all these I've mentioned are isomers of hexane, whose molecular formula is C6H14.